Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. Today, August 7th, we are covering the top 5 Indian stocks making the biggest moves across banking and financials, IT and technology, FMCG, metals and mining, auto, one standout name from each sector. Let us break down today's biggest sector movers, one at a time. First up in banking and financials. Bajaj Finance made a dramatic move today, plunged minus 5.56% to 1,081.20 Indian rupees. Equity markets are responding to reports that Bajaj Finance sees 29% profit surge in Q1, driven by robust NI and ORM growth (REDIF). Consumer durable financing and personal loans are growing, but the market is watching credit quality in a slower growth environment. The EMI card business and co-branded credit card partnerships are the emerging fee income drivers. Watch for any commentary on the Q-on-Q credit cost trend. Moving to IT and technology. TCS made a dramatic move today, surged plus 3.46% to 2,455 Indian rupees. Investor sentiment is being shaped by TCS begins FY27 with continued growth, wins multiple RE transformation deals, Tata Consultancy Services. The 26 to 28% EBIT margin band has been consistently delivered. The market wants to see whether AI-driven productivity allows margin expansion beyond the upper end of that range. Attrition stabilization is a positive signal on demand confidence. AI services deal conversions are the emerging growth driver. Moving to FMCG. Hindustan Unilever is trading higher by plus 0.79% at 2,096 Indian rupees. Equity markets are responding to reports that Dow reaches all-time high while S&P 500 and NASDAQ retreat on tech earnings concerns ecx.org. Hindustan Unilever is in a consolidation phase, a pattern that can precede a significant directional break. Watch the 2,137.92 Indian rupees resistance and 2,054.08 Indian rupees support as the boundaries of the current range. Moving to metals and mining. Tata Steel is trading lower by minus 0.72% at 187.93 Indian rupees. The move follows reports that MP Materials Q2 2026 slides, revenue beats as rare earth output surges. Tata Steel is in a consolidation phase, a pattern that can precede a significant directional break. Watch the 191.69 Indian rupees resistance and 184.17 Indian rupees support as the boundaries of the current range. Moving to auto. Maruti Suzuki is trading higher by plus 0.54% at 14,015 Indian rupees. Equity markets are responding to reports that Dow reaches all-time high while S&P 500 and NASDAQ retreat on tech earnings concerns ecx.org. Maruti Suzuki is in a consolidation phase, a pattern that can precede a significant directional break. Watch the 14,295 Indian rupees resistance and 13,735 Indian rupees support as the boundaries of the current range. Now let us zoom out to the broader macro picture for Indian markets. The rupee is weakening against the dollar, trading at 95.20, which matters for import and export-heavy sectors alike. Foreign institutional investor flows remain the key swing factor for Indian equities in the sessions ahead. Here is what we will be watching closely in the days ahead. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. We do the research so you do not have to hours of analysis distilled into actionable daily briefings. If that is valuable, please hit the like button. It is the single best way to support independent market analysis and help us reach more investors. Subscribe and turn on notifications for tomorrow's briefing. Drop your view in the comments. Are you bullish or bearish from here? That is all from MTRS_Market Pulse for today. All analysis is for informational and educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Always consult a qualified financial advisor. Trade safe and we will see you in the next one. That is today's top 5 Indian stocks from MTRS_Market Pulse. Subscribe for daily sector-wise coverage of Indian and global markets.